Regrettably, animals often encounter perilous situations, compelled by the pursuit of food or driven by curiosity. This frequently leads them into compromising positions, like getting entangled in electrical lines, often oblivious to the imminent danger.
Ah, shit!
Tragically, it's often the inquisitiveness of animals that leads them into dire situations, risking their lives. Ensuring the safety of both humans and animals requires meticulous precautions regarding electrical cables. Dear viewers, what, in your opinion, is the most prudent course of action in this scenario? If you love animals, subscribe. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments.